morning, students. Today we will do theme 1 food from your course book, which is yogurt and cinnamon dessert with rose, geraniums and peach. Alright. Now what is peach? I have put the pictures. What is cinnamon? I have put the picture on the right. I'm sure you know what these are. Alright. Now let us proceed. In this chapter, we had learnt about loan words, words in the English language taken from other languages. Alright. Now I have put some more examples for you. The first one is guru, and this has been taken from Sanskrit. Next is metropolis. It is Greek, which means big city of importance. So we use this metropolitan cities. So this comes from metropolis, Greek. We have the word utensils, our cooking pots. So you say utensils. It has come from French. Safari. See how wonderful. We have safari here at the Ranthambore National Park. And I'm sure not many of us knew that safari is a word from Arabic. Avatar is from Sanskrit. And this word we use it very, very commonly, and that is entrepreneur. It is a French word which means or refers to someone who undertakes a business venture. Entrepreneur. Alright, cigar is Spanish, and we eat such a lot of ketchup. And where has this come from? Chinese. Cookies is Dutch, and lemon is Arabic. Alright, and it has come from lemoon. It is simply defined or as a yellow citrus fruit. Alright, and cartoon. We are so much aware of this word cartoon, and cartoon is Italian. Alright. Now we also learned food related similes and idioms. Alright. Packed together like sardines. You can see a tin of sardines. Sardines are fish. Alright. And can you see packed together like sardines on the right? Yes, how the children are packed. So whenever they are overcrowded, you can use this and you can say that they are packed together as sardines. Now you have a very beautiful picture here or image here of 2 peas. Now 2 peas in a pod. Can you see the pot? And 2 peas. So those people who are very friendly, always together, you say 2 peas in a pod. Alright. The next one, as red as beetroot or tomatoes. Alright. Now can you see red when a person begins blushing, is embarrassed? Then you say that the person is as red as beetroot. Alright. You must have seen Just for Laughs gags. There you have lot of pictures where people are embarrassed after the prank. Alright. As cool as a cucumber. Alright. Different as chalk and duster. And the last one that we have seen is being in the soup. Nobody likes to be in the soup. That means in trouble, in a problem. Then all around you have trouble, and you are exactly like being in the soup. Alright. Now let us see the next thing, and the next is in our books what we have. We remember when we use the imperative, we use it when we are referring to the second person. Alright. And when we are referring to the second person, we do not write you. You is dropped, as it is shown in the following example. Please close the door. Yes. So we are really saying, you please close the door. Now the imperative sentence is commonly used in recipes like the one given below. For example, add flour, mix in the coconut milk. Here it all refers to you add flour. Next, you should mix the coconut milk. But we do not use you. Alright. Now, later on in our in the next lessons, we'll be writing recipes. So therefore, before we begin doing that, I want you to give you some kitchen vocabulary so that you can write your recipes well. Alright. Now what are these? Let us see. You may Google and see them and try to know their meanings, though these are pictures. Dishwasher, dish dryer or drainer, microwave oven, not oven, it is oven, electric cooker, gas range. Alright? Blender. Don't say mixie, say blender. Toaster, grill pan, frying pan, pot, casserole. Alright? This is a different picture of a casserole. We know it is something like a hot case. Alright? So that is also a casserole. Cake pan, baking sheet, rolling pin, kettle, electric kettle. See, there is a difference. This is, you can put it on a gas stove or on the gas range, but an electric cooker works on electricity. Thermo, then you have kitchen tools, alright. Mesh skimmer, we use it for frying, alright. A ladle, this is very important. Ladle is for stirring when you are cooking something, alright. And if you serve, then it is a serving spoon, okay, not a ladle. Spatula, this is a flat one, and this one is a slotted spatula. Why? Because you have slots in between. Beater, a whisk, and that is why you say whisking. This action is whisking, alright, not beating, okay. Now kitchen scissors, grater, colander, a bowl, okay, not a bowl, a bowl, garlic press, peeler, yes, to remove the skin, and ice cream scoop. Please remember this, ice cream scoop, can opener, drainer, bottles, bottle opener, and the last one is cork. In the same way, we have vegetable peeler, microplane grater. See, the next one is box grater because it looks like a box. So you can grate onions, you can grate many other things. Garlic press we have seen, this is a juicer, the one that is with a plastic, you know, sort of a container that you have. Timer, potato masher, pastry scraper, instant read thermometer, mixing bowls, not bowls, bowls, prep bowls, fine strainer, colander. You can see on your left. Now you can call it the strainer as well, but a colander has a bottom. Now you see at the bottom you have this ring on which it is placed, okay. Then you have plastic cutting boards, you can also call them chopping boards, wooden cutting board, balloon whisk, alright, silicone spatula, tongs, alright, this is very interesting, tongs. Ladle we have seen, slotted spoon, that was a slotted spatula, this is a slotted spoon, metal spoon, wooden spoon, turning spatula, alright, rolling pin, you see here rolling pin and rolling board, alright, cake server, it is quite flat. The next we have apron, bread basket, bowl, teapot, measuring cup, alright, in which you measure. You have millimeters, liters, all that written, okay. Baking tray, spice containers, chopping board we have seen. The other one we have not seen is a salad spinner. Colander we have seen. Butter dish. Now this is new, butter dish. The new thing that we have seen is oven glove, napkin, chopstick, measuring spoons, alright, we have for different measurements, okay, 5 ml, 10 ml, alright. These others we have seen. Cleaver, can you see, it is not a knife, it is a cleaver, alright. Now, kitchen shears, fork, frying pan, plate, saucepan. So saucepan in British and pot in American language, alright. Cake slice, corkscrew, and cutlery. Cutlery, what is cutlery? Spoons, forks and knives with which you eat. These are called cutlery. Next, apple corer and peeler. Can you see what is the core? Core is the center part. So the apple corer removes the center part, and you also have a peeler which peels the apple. Now this is a new one, which is the apple corer. In the middle you can see it separates, and it is also a slicer. It slices the apples. So these are the things that you find in your kitchen. Spice box, a wok. Alright, what is that? It is a wok. Ladles, ladle, potato masher, turner, spatula, draining spoon, skimmer, ice cream scoop with trigger. Now what is the trigger? Just like in guns you have a trigger, this is the trigger. Once you take the scoop and if you press it, the ice cream comes out. So that is called a trigger. These are the various spoons. Please go through them. Yes, there are different sizes. There are different forks and spoons for different things. Alright. Ice cream churner. This is a very common one in your homes, not the ice cream churner, but for buttermilk that you have in your homes, it could be wooden or even of plastic. Alright. Various knives, peelers, scrapers. Alright. So you have these. So how do you pronounce this? Shears. Alright, kitchen shears. This is how you lay a table. Alright, the salad plate in the center. Yes, then you have the salad fork, the fish fork, the dinner fork. So that is why when you see when a table is laid, this is how you have everything. Alright. Now very interesting word that you should remember is the napkin. Now this napkin is also called the serviette, and you can arrange them in various shapes, alright, of flowers and other different things. Alright, so this is a formal setting of a table. I'm sure you've enjoyed this. Your homework, go through the kitchen vocabulary introduced today. Try and learn them. Read exercise A in course book, that is on your page number 17. Now this is a final reminder for your writing on beach picnic, which you had to write in 100 to 150 words. You have not given. Please do it, because I have already started your marks. I have started giving you marks. So I have still not received your recordings of alliterations. Yes? Only Shreya has given, and I have given her 5 on 5. Rest all of you now, when you give, you will get a 4 or you will get less than 4. For speaking and your homework, please submit so that I can give you your marks. Thank you.